We are discussing about final keyword. So what is this? The final keyword in Java is used to restrict the user. The Java final keyword can be used in many contexts. Final can be variable, method, class, like final variable name, final method name, final class name, like that. A final variable that have no value, it is called as blank final variable or uninitialized final variable. Whenever we don't initialize the final variable, whenever it is expressed and written, like final int a, this is uninitialized final variable, and final int a equal to 10, this is initialized final variable. It can be initialized in the constructor only. So whenever we don't initialize outside the whenever we write final int a, then only we initialize the a variable inside constructor at the time of object creation. So final variable, you make any variable final, you cannot change the value of the final variable. Example, suppose there is a final variable speed limit, it won't be changed. So suppose there is a speed limit is 50 and it is final speed limit final int speed limit equal to 50, and it won't be changed throughout the program. So next is method. If you are make any method final, you cannot override it. So we previously discussed about overridden method, like inside parent class there is another same signature of another expressed method, and inside the child class there is another implementation of the same signature method, so it is override. So whenever a method is final, it cannot be override. Class bike, it is an example that class bike, inside that final void run, inside method print a. Class Honda extends bike, means it is child class, bike is parent class. Void run, print b. So whenever we creating an object of the bike class or object of the Honda class, whenever we are write Honda h equal to new Honda construct and h dot run, so this will create compilation error. So this is our output, the compile time error, because it is final method and final method cannot be overridden. Third is class, final class. Whenever a class is final, it cannot be extended. So inside the class we have written some of our lines of code. So whenever the class is final, we cannot extend that class. Like this is our example. Whenever we write the final class bike, it won't be extended by any other class. Like class Honda extends bike, it will give compile time error whenever this class will be final. So whenever we are writing a class final, we can't write that class abstract, like final abstract class name. It won't be possible, because abstract means it is giving opportunity to their child class to give implementation of some of its behaviors. But whenever there is a final keyword is there, it means it won't be extended. So this is our contradictory error. So this will not happen inside class like final abstract, either final or either abstract. So this is our entire discussion of final keyword.